the chef, and today we're gonna make apple pie oats. They're delicious, and we're also gonna make the cashew milk cream also. So go ahead and watch it, and we're gonna use this for other recipes, so make sure you watch this. Love you guys. Cashew milk. I know everybody always asks for this recipe, so the milk is gonna go two ways. We're gonna use it for our pasta sauce, and we're also gonna use it for oatmeal. So we're gonna take 1 cup of cashews. Preferably you want to soak them overnight, or you want to soak them in boiling water for half an hour. You know what? I'm not doing either today. I don't have time. Actually, I have some already made, so I just wanted to show you how they blend. So it's 1 cup of water. You do not want any more than that, or else you're not going to form that cream that we need, okay? And I'm going to blend away. The reason we soak them is the same reason we soak beans, to soften the nut and for it to be easily blended, and for machine to do less work. But she's good. She's been with me forever, so we got this. We got this. Consistency. This is pure cream. So good. This is what I put in my coffee every single day. I love it. Once you have this, trust me, you're not going back. The chef test we do, we grab it, and that if it comes together, it means it's not creamy enough. It's perfect. I left a little trail. To that, I'm gonna add 1 whole cup of water, and I'm gonna blend that away. I'm gonna pour into a jar and then reuse it. Look at that. So good. It's like from the earth, see? Dice and peel 1 apple, and I'm gonna dice it pretty fine. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Add your apples. Now this is all gonna depend how long you cook it, because I like soft apples, but if you like a little bit crunchy, just add your oatmeal now. I'm gonna wait at least 5 minutes before I add my oatmeal. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and cinnamon is antiviral, antifungal, aids digestion, helps you with metabolism. So we're gonna add 2 of those. So I'm gonna just 1.5 cups of oats, okay? And stir. 1 cup of my cashew cream or milk. Look how creamy that is. If you want a little bit looser, you can add a little bit more water, but if you like it thick, you can leave it just like this. I like it thick and make it taste like a little creamy apple pie. It's deliciousness. I'm gonna stir, and I'm gonna turn down my heat. Stir it and let it sit there for at least 10 minutes. Serve. Look at that. Top with a little bit more cinnamon, and you can add a little bit of honey or the sweetener of your choice. I like a little maple syrup, whatever you have around, sugar, anything you like, brown sugar, whatever. And we still have a lot, so you can make it for 2 extra days. Actually, you're good. Thank you so much for watching. I also have other oat recipes in my TikTok and my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there as well. I love you. Bye.